With you, I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you.
There's a bluebird that lives in my front yard. He comes and he goes, but he's never very far away. I wonder if he's noticed me, watching his movements from the porch. And now that the renovation's over, I hope he is not disturbed anymore. Back to business as usual. I can watch the sun rise over the mountains from this bed every morning. As I lay beside you, oh what a blessing. Oh, it's so good to be home. The blackberries are out of control. This hillside used to be an apple orchard. At least that's what we've been told. I hope that's something that we can restore. And out back we've got a maple tree. It's the most beautiful landscape of yellow. Bring back old memories. And I can watch the sun rise over the mountains from this bed every morning. As I lay beside you, oh what a blessing. Oh, I hope that we stay here forever and grow old underneath this roof. Fill our home up with laughter from children that look like you. It's so good to be home. I can watch the sun rise over the mountains from this bed every morning. As I lay here beside you, oh, it's such a blessing. Oh, I hope that we stay here forever and grow old underneath this roof. Fill our home up with the laughter of children that look like you. Oh, it's so good to be home.
I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the fields where the sun gonna stay with you.